So what is Yoga's African Roots teacher training? Yoga's African Roots is presented by Odeabi Roots and Wellness Villas, founded and co-created by Odeabi, meaning Royal Child, and Our Roots Project. The location, Our Roots Wellness Villas. The training, the benefits of yoga and its unique African perspective. The service, we are located at a private beach with beautiful surrounding scenic views between two villages that we provide employment opportunities for members of the community. The healing, supported by Yoga for Trauma Survivors, the Brain Clinic, and the Odeabi Center, we provide a healing space and place to retreat to. So register now for retreat accommodations, workshops, corporate wellness programs, and music and arts therapy. And honor someone with a contribution. Name a paver, villa, pavilion, or even a street in Africa after yourself or someone you want to honor. Go and visit www.ourrootsproject.com. Find our information, give us a call, send us an email if you have any inquiries.
We're going to the school in Neiman to teach yoga.
Yes, that's behind hands. One behind.
Okay, again. Reach back.
Africa, Mama Africa, Mama Africa, Mama Africa. Together we stand, divided we fought. So let us unite for Mama Africa. No matter the religion, let's come together, Africa. Our children need us. We need it. Togetherness. Mama Africa, Mama Africa. Mama Africa, Mama Africa, together we stand, divided we fought. So let.
If slavery wouldn't have happened, where would I be?
Touching the walls where my ancestors were, it felt like I could hear the prayer.
My people weren't here.
Encourage more people to do yoga, and from the benefits I've got from yoga, I think everyone should do yoga.
Africa, 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 Mama Africa, Africa.